Hi everyone, myself Sabira. I'm from I'm Unique. I'm Unique is a platform wherein we are helping in awareness regarding mental well-being with self-revolution. हम 3 चीजों पे काम करते हैं. एक तो खुद को बेहतर बनाओ so that you can live your life better. Secondly, you get the awareness of mental health so that you can take care of your mental well-being. And thirdly, if you are having any issues and any problem, come out and seek for help. I am very glad that we are associated with Inspiro. So as you are unique, you inspire, and that's what I think the organization and the company itself is doing. Not with the startup, but when I see the staff in total, I feel the same energy there. Thank you for having me here. So आज की workshop जो है, it's all about channelizing your emotions, making yourself better, and about how you can take care of your mental well-being and the people around you. I'll be giving you these A4 size papers. On the top you have to write your name. Okay. These paper will be circulating. सबका अपना अपना नाम का पेपर होगा, वो अपने अपने नाम का पेपर circulate करेगा. The other person has to write something good about that person, whatever comes to your mind. Very good. Okay. पढ़ के सुनाओगे क्या लिखना है सबने?
हाँ, मतलब ऑप्शन नहीं है, सुनाना है.
Good person from heart, brother from heart, sweet person, sexy smile. Your smell is very much. Smile is very much pure. A good human.
He is a great leader. His smile makes everyone stay. He is great teacher, healer. You are enough.
Next.
आप सब जानते हो. We believe in your vision.
Ritesh, jolly person, always in the positive vibe. You are a person who works really hard, helpful, smiling and dope, fit and top, caring, sweet, helpful, savage. Kritidi, you are my lady love. Thanks for being smile like this, my fitness trainer.
Thanks, Bro code, sexy, loving, experimental. You are okay. नहीं. You are fucking good. Smart, loves to do her work perfect. Leading lady, potential leader with vision. Killer haircut, caring, loving. Thanks.
Guys,
my caring friend, cute smile, always there for me. Sometimes stubborn, but Jirsa, you are the great. Cute, your smile is killing. Gentleman, caring, responsible, and most mature. Humble enough. Jirsa, Raja ji, the Raja ji. Raja ही है राजा.
क्या पेपर ले गया मैंने.
Gentleman, caring, handsome boy. Thanks for always helping us. Thank you.
एक और एक बहुत important motive था that you can come out and you can speak to us. Plus there could be people who can listen to you. So उसके लिए हम एक छोटी सी activity करेंगे, है ना? I'll be giving you the papers and उसमें आपको जो मैं question बोलूँगी उसके लिए you have to think about it and honestly you have to write about it. दिल से लिखना, क्योंकि this is something which I want each one of you to do it with heart, so that we can reach out to more people and we can make them understand that when you come out and you speak for something which is inside bothering you and you let it out, how it feels. Okay? आप चाहे तो अपनी writing बहुत वैसे लिख सकते हैं कि पहचान में ना आए, मतलब ऐसा भी मत लिखना कि लिपि अलग हो जाए, समझ में आनी चाहिए, बट देन यू कैन राइट इन अ वे कि आपकी राइटिंग समझ में ना आए. कीप योरसेल्फ anonymous, you don't have to write your name on the paper. We'll be having this box, you just have to keep your sheets into that. Okay?
हम लोग इतने टाइम से साथ में, और मुझे पर्सनली ऐसा लगा कि इतनी सारी चीजें सबकी लाइफ में, इतनी चीजें हैं और बहुत सारी चीजें जो आपस में किसी को नहीं पता, इतनी हर्टफुल चीजें भी हैं सबकी लाइफ में.
लाइक ऐसा है कि अगर अपन को किसी की बात का बुरा लगता है, कब लगता है? जब अपन उससे एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं कि हाँ वो मेरे लिए समथिंग करेगा, मेरे लिए ये करेगा, फिर जब सामने से ना आ जाता है तब अपन को बहुत ज़्यादा हर्ट होता है. तो शायद अगर एक्सपेक्टेशन रखना बंद कर देंगे तो हर्ट होना बंद हो जाएगा, और खुद खुश रहेंगे तो लोगों को भी खुश कर पाएंगे.
लड़कों को बहुत कम चीजें कही जाती है, जो भी लेटर्स यहाँ पे पढ़े अभी और जो उनमें लिखा हुआ था, वो मुझे लगता है कि वो लड़कियों को कहे हैं. तो इट इज अ रॉन्ग थिंग, आई डोंट थिंक सो. मेरे को लगता है कि मैंने जो एक चीज लिखी है आप बदल गए हो, उसके अलावा मेरे को कोई भी हर्टफुल चीज का कभी नहीं ली किसी ने. एंड जो पेपर्स अभी पढ़े गए उसके अंदर मुझे लगता है कि वो लड़कियों को ही कहेगा, ऑल्दो इट वाज अनोनिमस.
This is the effect of sharing sometimes, you know. I don't know ये लिखते वक्त आप क्या फील कर रहे थे, but when you write something which is bothering inside you, हमें ना पता नहीं होता है, but subconsciously भी ना बहुत सारी चीज़ें हमारे दिमाग में रह रही होती है, and वो हमें बार बार अफेक्ट कर होती है. जैसे when you are writing, somebody said, आपने बोला था शायद कि ना यार कितना टफ है, मुझे सोचना पड़ रहा है. तो it is, I think somewhere we all have those things in our subconscious mind and we just are ignoring it. इसको हम डिफेंस मैकेनिज्म कहते हैं कि हमने इसको पीछे रखा हुआ है, and we are like कि नहीं चलो होता है वो. बट मूविंग ऑन का मतलब ये नहीं है कि जो चीज़ें आपके दिमाग में चल रही है आप उसे एड्रेस ना करें या आप उसे पुट फॉरवर्ड सिचुएशन में ना लेकर आए, because they are there in your subconscious mind. The majority of your personality is because of your childhood traumas, and that's what happened with everybody. हम कोई special नहीं है, मैं special नहीं हूँ. I go with the same things which you people are going through. I face the same thing which you people are facing here, and I think some of the people who have written the things, and I really appreciate कि आपने अपनी इतनी personal चीज़ें, you took it down and you took this activity so seriously and you've written it out. It's not easy and it requires a lots of courage to write it. तो आपने जो लिखा है ना वो मेरे लिए बहुत important है. तो कहीं आज कुछ और हो ना हो, मैं यहाँ से बहुत कुछ सीखे जा रही हूँ. And taking that out, I seriously appreciate that. But this is also an evolution for yourself, because once you write it, you take this thing out, you know what is bothering you, you know where you have to work for it and how you can work for it. And I think when it is discussed in this close environment, and now when you people are together, probably I'll meet you after some days or probably never meet you again. But you people are meeting each other every day. You can work on it. You can seek out for help. You can talk to the person, or at least if you don't know who's that person or what other person is going through, you know that everybody is going through something. And all you can do is you can provide a listening ear. Just be there for that person, listen them out and help them. ज़्यादातर लोग जो मेंटल ट्रॉमा से निकलते हैं या मेंटल हेल्थ की जो हम बात करते हैं, उसके अंदर all they are seeking is for a person to whom they can talk to, somebody who can listen to them. They don't need any advice. Probably almost every one of us know कि मुझे इस situation से इसका क्या decision लेना है. Even जो psychiatrist और counselors भी आपको help करते हैं, वो भी most of the time आपको बताते हैं कि ये pathways हैं. The pathway you only are going to take it. You know about that. But what you need is a person who can just listen to you, who can just be there for you. And all I can ask from this workshop here from all of you is that be that person for somebody and just be there for them. You never know whom you're helping out and in what ways. And if you find somebody who needs help, please push them to take help. I'll drop my number, everything here. If anybody wants any sort of help, you can always reach out to us. And thank you for this workshop. Thank you, Inspiro. Thank you, all of you. Thank you very much.